What is up, my incredible, amazing, epic YouTube friends? Welcome back to the P4S Detailing Studio for another super sick detail of a 2017 Ram, was it 1500? This is going to be converting from a work truck to a commuter truck, and I'm super pumped to get it detailed. It's actually definitely work truck ready because on the interior it's got that vinyl floor, the plastic rubber floor, whatever. I've only done like one other work truck like that, so it's gonna be sick to clean that up. The seats are fabric, and it's really, I mean, it's just a work truck, so it's dirty, but it's not out of control like some of those kid haulers are. Well, let's get going, and this is going to be sick, and I'm super excited for a couple pieces of this detail, so let's get it started. Plastic liners, which is super sick because those fabric ones make the garage floor a super awful mess. And like a rookie, because it's been like a week or so since I've detailed, I grabbed the pre-wash instead of the wheel and tire cleaner. I don't know, I just got out of my zone, I guess. Rookie. Now is the appropriate time for the pre-wash. I actually have to retract a lot of previous statements. I used to think this hyper white color didn't matter the OEM, just this color. I used to hate on it a lot. Now it's quite transformative, and it usually just pops at the end. And I'm really excited to see how this one turns out because it's covered with some manure and some other things. So let's pre-wash and see how it turns out just after that simple step. Washing yielded amazing results. This paint is already popping just a little bit. Now, of course, still got a hand wash because every truck deserves to look amazing, like I did it. This is one of the parts of the detail I am most excited for, and also, maybe a controversial statement, but I think chocolate covered cinnamon bears are the greatest candy on the planet. One of them. Yeah, one of them for sure. As I previously stated, just using that iron decon is not enough. Physical decon can mar the paint, so we're going to do a combination of those two. and physically decon. There's a little bit of oil stuck on it. I tried to get it off. I even used WD-40 and it actually, I think it's just super old because it's not coming off. And I don't have enough time. Well, this detail is not about full paint correction, so there's gonna be a few little tiny spots of oil, but we'll get most of this off. Let's paint protect and use it as a drying aid. It's the most efficient and fastest combination I have found yet, and it actually holds up for a long time. Exterior was super sick. Interior is going to be awesome, a little bit quicker than normal, but still awesome. I noticed on those rear seats, there's a bunch of dog hair and there's stains kind of everywhere. There's not a lot of personal items, and there's no mats because vinyl floor, rubber floor, whatever they call it. But anyway, the stains on the seats are gonna be a little bit tough to remove. Not super worried about it. How much would you give me if I ate this gummy bear? Huh? Not gonna happen. Now, as a rule, I am not super snoopy into customers' vehicles because I just think that's rude. But I was a little rude apparently because when I saw that accident compliance kit, I did take a little peek inside. I've never seen one of those in a vehicle before. And I thought it was kind of cool. They just had a bunch of checklists and stuff you should do in an accident, which is probably good to have. But in there, they had a disposable camera. Wow. I have not seen a disposable camera in years. Oh my goodness, it was cool. It was cool to see. I'm gonna go in a bit of a weird order this time with the vacuuming. I'm actually going to, there we go. I'm gonna use the Tornador on these seats first to get as much of that hair out as I can. I will use the lily brush if I need to, but I think if I can herd that dust and dog hair away, then I'll vacuum up the floor and then get in the nooks and crannies with the Tornador. But definitely think the Tornador is going to be the best and most efficient on these seats. I was fairly boastful and arrogant, thinking that I could just get all that hair out with the Tornador. I was so far off. The hair was super ingrained and it just wasn't enough. So I had to get the Lily Brush, which isn't a big deal because I got sponsored once by Lily Brush. Not really sponsored, unofficially sponsored. They sent me some free merch, which was sick. It's not even merch, just tools. Free tools, which was so sick. But we're gonna carpet clean here in just a sec. I just gotta clean up this, what's it called? Pressure air compressor. Gotta clean up the air compressor first. Time to clean the carpet. It's really going to be pretty chill, pretty low key. just because there's only these seats, and then the plastic cleaning is what's going to be so sick. And that's the part I'm most excited for on the interior. It's a little bit of a bummer, but sometimes I go absolutely buck wild with the carpet cleaner. I spray way too much on and then it foams up for whatever reason, and it actually jacks up my Sandia carpet extractor. Jacks up meaning it completely fails because all that foam and froth comes out and then it starts leaking out the bottom, which is a huge bummer. And I did that on that middle seat, and thank heavens, I've actually had it where it got so wet in the motor on that Sandia that it just stopped working for hours, which is a bummer because I try and do all my detailing at one time. I try and start it and then finish it whenever it is. And I think that detail I got done at like 3:15 or 4 in the morning, which, whew, it's too late for an old man. There is going to be a lot of plastic to clean. I'll probably get crap in the comments, but let's face it, there's always that armchair detailer that's gonna give me crap in the comments, but I am going to brush the floor. I think it's the most effective way to get the whole thing clean. And with the fabric in there, I'm really just not going to spray it out with the pressure washer. Sorry, care too much about my customers' vehicles. But, sorry, totally distractions. I've got P&S Express Interior Detailer. I'll start on the door, and while that warms up, because we'll definitely need steam on the floor. The plastics themselves are really in not that bad a shape though, which is cool. Hopefully, I've got enough CarPro Pearl to protect everything. No, I totally have a ton. Awesome, I just didn't know when I bought the last package. I've got 2 different types of rags, got 2 different types of brushes, one for the floor and one for the rest of the plastics. Let's get it protected. would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail this Hemi. It was super fun. I really liked that exterior detail. That was so sick. Extracting those seats was amazing. I hope you loved the results of the detail. And of course, I hope you like this video. Seriously, this was so much fun. I haven't asked in a long time, but I would love the channel to grow. Like and subscribe if you are not. Please, it really does help. And you're epic. I'll see you next time.